Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So given the value of n, that is 10, so you have to find the sum. So let's get started. So let me take a variable n and initialize it to 10. So now what we do is we try to iterate from that is 1 up to 10 using the for loop and try to sum all the numbers. So let's take one output variable, that is total is equals to 0. So this will be storing the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So now let us try to use a for loop for index in. Let's give range, that is starting value is 1 and ending is n plus 1. So because I need the inclusive value of n, that is 10. So that's why I am taking 11 over there. So once we are done, so let's try to add the total, that is total plus equals to or total equals to total plus index. Yeah, so once we are done with the for loop, so that means we are trying to iterate from 1 up to 11, that is up to 10, 1 up to 10. So we try to print this total variable. So let's use a print function and let us try to copy paste the same, that is sum of first 10 natural numbers is, let's give colon and let us try to print the total. So let's use a string formatting over here, that is adding f. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program which doesn't require any input, but still we have the value of 10. So if the problem statement changes, that is something like 100 or 200, so you can just modify the value of n over here. So over this line, so you just have to modify. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program. So let me execute this. So you can see sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. Yeah, so I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's all I had in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.